Good morning, students. How are you? I hope you are fine. By the grace of Allah, I am fine too. My name is Salma Nasreen, Assistant Teacher, Magura Model Government Primary School. Student, are you continue reading and writing at home? I think yes. Today, I teach you your English book. English for today, class 5. Today our page number 34. Okay, students, take your book and open at page 34. Unit 9. Our unit's name is occupations. Occupations. I am teaching you. Teaching is my occupations. Okay, everybody, take your book and look at the picture. What are you seeing in the picture? I think your answer is 2 boys and 3 firefighters. Do you know what are they doing? I think your answer is they are trying to put out the fire. Okay, now I read this lesson carefully. Students, you listen this lesson attentively. Okay, and students, you find out difficult and new words. Okay, listen and read. A long time ago, when Raju was in class 5, there was a fire in his school. Everyone was very afraid, but no one panicked. The teachers helped the students to leave the building quietly and safely. Soon the firefighters came and put out the fire. Raju watched the firefighters from the schoolyard. He thought about the fire and the firefighters for a long time. After college, Raju joined a volunteer fire department. As a volunteer, he didn't get any money for his work, but Raju didn't mind. Now, Raju is a full-time firefighter. It is his job, so he earns money for it. Most of the time, his work is putting out fires, but he also teaches new firefighters about safety. He likes teaching very much. In his free time, Raju visits schools. He talks to students about fire safety. He tells them what to do if there is a fire. They shouldn't panic. They should listen to their teachers and leave the building quietly. Again, this lesson I read. Please listen carefully, attentively. A long time ago, when Raju was in class 5, there was a fire in his school. Everyone was very afraid, but no one panicked. The teachers helped the students to leave the building quietly and safely. Soon the firefighters came and put out the fire. Raju watched the firefighters from the schoolyard. He thought about the fire and the firefighters for a long time. After college, Raju joined a volunteer fire department. As a volunteer, he didn't get any money for his work, but Raju didn't mind. Okay, students, do you know the meaning of volunteer? Please find out this lesson. I think you find out it. Volunteer means doing work without getting any money. Doing work without getting money. That's mean volunteer. Okay, students, please find out new and difficult word from this lesson. I think your word is afraid. Afraid. Panicked. Panicked. Firefighter. Firefighter. And volunteer. VOLUNTER. Volunteer. And yard. Okay. Afraid. ভীত, ভয় পাওয়া। প্যানিক, আতঙ্কিত। ফায়ার ফাইটার, অগ্নি নির্বাপক কর্মী। অগ্নি মানে আগুন। দমকল কর্মীও বলে। ভলেন্টিয়ার, স্বেচ্ছাসেবক যে নিজের ইচ্ছায় কোনো পারিশ্রমিক ছাড়া কাজ করে। ইয়ার্ড, উঠান, প্রাঙ্গণ, মাঠ। ওকে স্টুডেন্টস, নাও প্লিজ read these lessons 2 or 3 times. Okay, and I give you a table for match. Please write this word in your khata. I think your writing is finished. So I clean the board. Now I give you a table, column A and column B. Match the table with their meaning. Column A and column B with their meaning. You match the table. Please look at the board. A column B. A firefighter. Fire. Firefighter. B. Panic. C. Volunteer. D. Teach. E. Quietly. Quietly. And now I write column B. A group of learners. Group of learners. to instruct in a systematic manner. Number 3, a person who puts out fire, Number 4, without making noise, Number 5, doing work without getting money. Number 6, intense fear. Number 7, to bring about. Okay, students, please look at the table carefully. I think you match every word column A with column B, because we know firefighter means, we know before from this lesson, firefighter means a person who puts out fire. That means firefighter match column B, a person who puts out fire. Column B, panicked. Column A, similar, intense fear, ব্যাপক ভীতি, intense fear. Panic match column B, intense fear. Column C, volunteer means, before we know from this lesson, volunteer, doing work without getting money. Doing work without getting money. So volunteer match the column B, doing work without getting money, কোনো পারিশ্রমিক ছাড়াই যে কাজ করে. So volunteer match doing work without getting money. Teach শিক্ষা দেওয়া, I teach you. So teach column A, teach match column B, to instruct in a systematic manner. অর্থাৎ পদ্ধতিগতভাবে নির্দেশনা দেওয়া. So teach maths to instruct in a systematic manner. And now quietly শান্তভাবে, quietly match the word, the sentence without making noise. Quietly match without making noise. Quietly similar, without making noise. Now I write their table math below the table. I write the answer below the table. A. Column A plus firefighter. The similar, a person who puts out fire. 3. B. Panicked. Panicked. Panicked, similar, intense, fear. 6. Volunteer. Volunteer. C. Doing work without getting money. Doing work without getting money. Teach. Teach. Math to instruct in a systematic manner. To instruct in a systematic manner. D. Okay. E. Quietly. Quietly. E. Quietly, without making noise. Without making noise. Without making noise. So student, I think you understand this table. You understand this table, and I think you understand the lesson, a firefighter. Now I give you a homework. I give you a homework. Write a short composition about a firefighter. Write a short composition about a firefighter. Okay. Thank you everybody. Next class we learn the question and answer from this lesson. Okay. Everybody stay home and wash your hands regularly and clearly. So thank you very much. Bye. See you next time.